What is husband's income?
He's more than 2.5 lakhs month.
Well, is there any evidence before the court? How this court will understand now that he's working?
No, my lord, kindly see.
But because of these complaints and the case, like he is unemployed, my lord.
From
now.
when he is?
The petition is filed by the husband, my lord, challenging the interim order, interim maintenance ordered by the family court, my lord. Second petition is filed by the wife, my lord, seeking enhancement of the interim maintenance, my lord.
What is the amount granted?
My lord, 10,000 each.
Huh?
The wife, 10,000 each to the wife and daughter, my lord.
That is 20,000.
Yes, my lord.
20,000.
20,000.
Hello.
20,000.
Oh. What is the husband's income?
Husband is, my lord, a BE graduate. He working on a Quest engineering company, my lord.
You appear for?
I appear for wife.
What is husband's
He's
income?
He's more than 2.5 lakhs month.
Well, is there any evidence before the court? Any
My lord,
amount?
he filed a assets and liabilities, my lord.
He has filed.
No, my lord, he filed, but he not disclosed. Said that I am not working anywhere, my lord. Showing that nil like that.
Then how this court will understand now that he's working?
No, my lord, kindly see, my lord. Kindly.
Has he filed his statement of assets and liability?
He filed written statement, my lord. He is not subjected to cross-examination.
The
He
husband
has not
filed
cross-examined.
assets and liabilities, my lord. But the wife haven't submitted their assets and liabilities.
No, what
No,
about?
my lord, wife has filed, my lord.
What about it? Have you filed your statement of assets and liability?
Yes, my lord.
What about your bank statements?
It is filed, my lord. And at the time of marriage, he was employed. But because of these complaints and the case, like he is unemployed, my lord.
From
now.
when he is unemployed?
From 2020.
20?
When the case was filed and there is a criminal case is also filed, my
No,
lord.
unemployed from 2020.
Yes,
When
my
is this
lord.
MC filed?
It was filed in
MC criminal miscellaneous. When is it filed?
It was the complaint was lodged in 2019, my lord. November
What the
2020, my lord.
complaint,
It's filed in
maintenance.
2020.
Huh?
2020.
November 2020.
So what is your bank account from 20 to 20 till now?
That is not filed, my lord.
Filed before this court.
Potentially they have not filed, my
Then
lord.
that would
And like was like even the wife also to file their
Both of
assets and
We'll file, my lord. We'll
liabilities, my
file.
lord.
the bank statements from 20 to 24 of both the wife and husband shall be filed before this court. Post this matter on 21st. of
And we
August.
have a IA 1 of 23 for the stay of interim maintenance, my lord.
No, my lord, they are
Might
not
be
filed.
We'll
allowed
hear it.
because
We'll-
after the assets and liabilities, like it can.
No. We'll post it on 21st, right on 2023 is happening now. So we'll see it on 21st. By that day, file it. Before that, both of you
We'll file, my lord.
serve them on the other side.